Hello friends, welcome to my channel Axaykumar Tandel. Now we played beautiful helpful game for children's reading game. Now let's start. My reading game. Find out bird's name from given big box and square on it. Here is big box and we find out bird's name. Let's start. C-R-O-W, crow. We find out first name crow. First name is crow. Right here C-R-O-W. Now next H-E-N, hen. Second name. Square on hen. Right here hen. H-E-N. Now go second row. A-B-D-O-V-E. D-O-V-E. D-O-V-E. Down. There is mistake. D-O-V-E. Down. We write D-O-V-E. D-O-V-E. Down. Third row we go to P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Now fourth row S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Right here S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Now fifth line J-S-W-A-N. S-W-A-N. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Now last row D-U-C-K. Duck. D-U-C-K. Our game is over. Bye.